What's up? What's going on? That's your boy Toussaint. You know how I'm a YouTuber. Where I am right now is just to film the nature, everything. I think you're gonna like this video. You heard? And you're gonna share it everywhere. That's your boy Toussaint. I'm out. So humble, so beautiful. So beautiful this place right here. You see over there? Beautiful place. You heard the bird singing. Come on, that's crazy. You see? Where I am right now. Look at. You see? Nice view. Come on. So I'm gonna record a lot of videos to show you the beauty of the nature. You heard what I mean? I love what I'm doing. Come on, you have to like and share this video everywhere. Look at behind me, look at. Oh my gosh, you see? Come on, man. Come on, let's go.